I decided that it's not going to be just blood-related family experiences.
The community
Yes.
is family.
Things Jamaican. Promoting brand Jamaica.
That's amazing. Yo, you good, bro. You good.
Okay, so yeah, this is the reason persons are shocked whenever I tell them that children or students in Jamaica travel by taxi, and it's one of our main sources of transportation. We don't have trains because it's quite expensive, and it's VIP service in Japan. You get chauffeur driven, so automatically you go to the back, right? The doors open automatically. You'll see that later on in the video. They close automatically as well. This plastic barrier is there because of COVID-19, and everything is just in place. It's AC out if it's cold, the heater is on, and that little blue dish right there is to put your money in, so you don't even have to literally have contact with the driver. So see, and then that's the price shows on that screen. So the further you go, you see the price just rolling up. It's quite expensive. Yeah, see the little dish there for the money. But I love my Jamaican taxi. Come in, slim man, smile up yourself. Yeah, you can't fit. Come in, man. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not yet subscribed, please remember to hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it. If you like this video, please like it, share with a friend, and thank you for watching. Boom bang, I'm out. Hi.
Hey.
Hari si toi.
Hey.
料金は1580円です。 はいどうもありがとう。
はい、ありがとうございます。Thank you。
ありがとうございました。お気をつけて。いってらっし
はい、
ゃい。
ありがとうございます。気をつけてね。